With one single prompt and my resume image, it created the entire portfolio website. You can see here the design, the color themes and everything. In this video, I am going to build a portfolio website by using Google Antigravity. If you don't have Google Antigravity in your laptop, search Google Antigravity in your browser. After searching Google Antigravity, click on first URL for Windows. Click on download for Windows and you will redirect to the versions. If you are using Mac, download by using download for Apple Silicon or download for Intel. If you are on Windows, download for x64 or download for ARM64. So I already installed this application, so I am not installing. After installing the Google Antigravity, you need to sign in with your Google account in this app. Click on profile icon and select your Google account. After signing, you need to create a folder before building the website. So I'm already created the folder for my portfolio website. I am opening my folder. Click on open folder and select your folder. I opened my folder. After opening your folder, you need to write a prompt like this. Build a portfolio website by using my resume details. You need to upload your resume. Click on plus icon and you need to upload your resume image, and I am uploading my resume image here. After uploading, click on this arrow icon. It start building the application. After waiting few minutes, Antigravity given me a implementation plan. So it need a user review required. So I am telling it style in SaaS builder, and my Twitter username Praveen Total GitHub username Praveen dash 127. So entering. So it started building the website with one single prompt and my resume image. It created the entire portfolio website. You can see here the design, the color themes and everything. If you want to know how to deploy this website, see my previous video. You know how to deploy the website